Okay, welcome again, student. Now we'll move to the part 16 on the exercise 4E. The part 15 is the one which I've uploaded in the very beginning. You just go through that part 15. Now we'll continue with that part here on the part 16. Okay, the number we'll be doing here is from number 2, 5 from the number 2, which is x square minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, the given equation here is x square minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Now comparing this with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Now comparing this equation with the standard equation, what is a here? A is 1. What is b here? B is minus 2. What is c here? C is 1. Okay, now the discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4 is the formula for discriminant. B square, that is minus 2 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 1. What will get what will give? Minus square is plus, 2 square is 4, then 4 multiply 1 is 4, 4 again multiply 1, it is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore the roots will be given by this formula, x equal minus b plus minus root over d by 2a. D is discriminant, which will be minus of b. What is b? B is minus 2 plus minus discriminant is 0, 2 multiply 1, and minus minus plus will get 2 plus minus root over 0 is 0, 2 multiply 1 is 2, 1 value will take with plus, the other with minus, that is 2 plus 0 by 2, 2 minus 0 by 2 will give us 2 by 2, and here also 2 by 2, or 1, and the other will also be 1. Hence the value of 1 and 1, they are the roots of the given equation. A very simple thing, you just have to practice with it. Number 6, the given equation is x square minus 4x minus 1. What is a? A here is coefficient of x squared, is 1. B is coefficient of x, is minus 4. C is the constant, it is minus 1. Now discriminant again, b square minus 4 is c. What is b? Minus 4. That is in minus 4 square minus 4, a is 1, b is minus 1. Now minus square is plus, 4 square is 4 multiply 4 is 16. Here this minus with this minus you have to multiply, minus with minus give plus, 4 1 4, 4 again with 1 is 4. This means 16 plus 4 gives 20, which is greater than 0. Therefore the roots will be given by the same formula, minus b plus minus root over d by 2a. B is minus 4, minus of b, but b is minus 4 plus minus root over discriminant, which is 20, and 2 multiply a is 1. Okay, minus minus plus is 4 plus minus root over 20 by 2 multiply 1, 2. Now root 20, what is root 20? The factor of 20 are 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. That means 2, 2 and 5. Since the square root, you have to, if the term are having square, you write them in the form of square. That means 2 is having square, 5. This square and square, you can take out square root, you can take 2, you can take out square root, and in this side square root you'll have 5. This means instead of root 20 we can write as 2 root 5 by 2. Next step, 1 you take with plus, the other with minus. Okay, now 4 plus 2 root 5 by 2. Here you take common by 2. Take common by 2, because 2 and 4, 2 is common. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. This means you get 2 plus root 5 by 2. 2 2 you can cancel. Same thing here also, you will have only 2 plus root 5 and 2 minus root 5. Or you can take the common here in this step. Take common in this step, and after taking common you can cancel these 2, and then you simply write 1 with plus, the other with minus sign. Okay, whichever is easy for you, you follow with that, but you will get the same thing only. if you take first, you take the common term here also, you will get same thing. Or you can simply write 1 with plus, the other with minus, and take the else and then take common term, cancel those term, and then you will get the same thing. Now here in y2 is being taken as common. See here, if you multiply 2, what you will get? You will get 4. 2 multiply root 5, you will get 2 root 5. That's why 2 is common factor being taken here. This 2 and 2 cancel, you'll have 2 plus root 5, and same thing here, 2 minus root 5. Hence the root of the given equation are this one and this one, 2 plus root 5 and 2 minus root 5. The next, number 7. This is the given equation. Comparing with the standard equation, we have quotient A with quotient of x squared, which is 5. B is quotient of x, which is minus 19. C is constant, which is 17. Okay. Now the discriminant is given by this formula. B square. What is B? Minus 19. Therefore, square of minus 19. Minus 4. A is 5. C is 17. Minus square is plus. 19 square, 361. 4, 5, 20. 20 multiply 17 is 340. And on subtracting 361 minus 340, you will get 21, which is greater than 0. Okay. Now you find out the roots. Since if a discriminant is greater than 0, you will have real and distinct root. This means you have two roots which are real and distinct. Okay. Now the root is given by this formula: x equal minus b plus minus root over d by 2a. Minus b. What is b? B is minus 19 plus minus 21 is root over 21. D is 21. Root over 21. 2a, 2 multiply 5. That is minus minus plus, you will get 19 plus minus root 21 by 2 multiply 5 is 10. And simply take one with plus, the other with minus. These two value, they are the roots of the given equation. Number 9. 9 here is given equation is root 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals 0. Now on comparing with the standard equation, A is quotient of x squared, as A will be root 2, was B quotient of x, that will be 7, and C is constant, which is 5 root 2. Okay. Now discriminant is given by this formula: B square, that is 7 square, 4, A is root 2, C is 5 root 2. 7 square is how much? 7 multiply 7 is 49, minus, then now 4 multiply 5 is 20, root 2 multiply root 2 is root 2 square. Now root 2 square is give us 2, because root 2 square is 4, or square root of 4 is 2. Simply write root square of root 2 or root 2 square is simply 2 itself. Okay. Now 2 multiply 20 is 40. 49 minus 40 is 9, which is greater than 0. Now the roots of this equation is being given by this formula: minus b plus minus root over d by 2a. B is 7, d is 9, a is root 2, 2 root 2, 2a means 2 root 2. Now minus 7 plus minus root over 9 is how much? Square root of 9 is 3, 3 is 9. This means you will get 3 by 2 root 2. Now one you will take with plus, the other with minus. Now minus 7 plus 3 plus minus minus 7 minus 3 is 4. Which sign is greater? It is minus sign. Therefore we have minus 4 by 2 root 2. And here minus minus plus 7 plus 3 10. We'll have minus 10 by 2 root 2. Cancelling this numerator and denominator. 2 4s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. We'll get 2 by root 2. This means minus 2 by root 2. And here 2 5 is 10, 2 1s are 2. This means minus 5 by root 2. Or instead of minus 2 by 2, this minus 2 by 2 you can again simplify by multiplying by root 2 on the numerator and denominator. Minus this 2 multiply root 2, you will have 2 root 2. In denominator, root 2 multiply root 2 is root 2 square, which is 2. and then considering these two from numerator and denominator, you can cancel them. You'll have only minus root 2, and this 5 root 2 is the same thing. These are the roots of the given equation. Okay, you try to practice. You practice for first time, second time, until you have a good understanding about this. And the only thing that you have to do is to, once you know how to proceed ahead with this, you try to practice by your own again and again till you know how to solve it when you get such type of problem. Okay, for the time being, we'll stop it here. We'll continue it again on the next class. Okay.